Hey, in this video, we're going to cover free Bitcoin transaction accelerators. As you can see on our main website at sats.network, on the main page, I have 4 Bitcoin transaction accelerators here. All of them are free. We'll go ahead and open each one up and we can see how they work and what exactly they do. Basically, they're as simple as this. When you send a transaction and it's taking longer to confirm than you'd like, instead of paying a larger fee or using the replace by fee feature, first you can try to boost the transaction. This basically pings the miners directly with the transaction ID and almost moves you towards the front of the line. It's their discretion whether they want to take you first, but I have found through my experience the transactions are confirmed much faster than if you do nothing at all. And this saves you from having to pay a higher transaction fee. So what you would do is we're just going to grab a random Bitcoin transaction for this example, and we'll refresh the page. As you can see, this transaction is unconfirmed, first seen 20 minutes ago. ETA is set to be approved, or it's set to be mined in about 59 minutes for this block to be mined. So with that, we will just copy this transaction ID. As you can see, they're sending about $400 from these 3 addresses to one of these addresses. The other one is likely a change address, 409. So we have copied this transaction ID and we will just go in here and paste accelerate. And as you can see, it pings all the nodes. It broadcasts the transaction ID directly to the nodes. And all of these work exactly the same way. Paste in the transaction ID, accelerate, and there you go. It's been broadcasted to the nodes. We'll just go through all of them really quick. You probably only need to submit to one of these, but I usually do all 4 just for good measure. OCD, I don't know. But yeah, that's basically it. And once that's done, I have found the transactions confirm much, much faster, usually within 10 to 20 minutes versus the hour to sometimes it says 4 or 5 hours, or sometimes it just says an hour for several hours. And then I'll throw the transaction ID in here and it'll become confirmed within 20 minutes. It'll have the first confirmation. And I find that much better than paying a very high fee or unknowingly paying a smaller fee and just waiting forever, or having to use the replace by fee feature if you have that turned on in your Bitcoin transactions. But I hope that is helpful. You can find this again at sats.network, right under the Bitcoin transaction fee calculators I have. As you can see right now, transaction fees are kind of high, and that will help with that. If you need to speed up a transaction, I found these very useful. Hope that helps, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.